Just to end the video, I'd just like to say this was a really fun thing to do. I really enjoy going to Lufthansa and I hopefully get to work in this field sooner or later in life. Yeah, quite a surprise seeing me back here. Haven't seen me in a while, have you? Yeah. Starting college tomorrow, it's gonna be fun, so yeah. Oh, after this video was shot, public service announcement: don't listen to your radio for an hour and a half straight while in the car while the car is off, because it tends to kill the battery, and that is what I did to my mom's car. So we were stuck in town for like an hour and a half. You might see me soon, I don't know, but in the meantime, see you later.